What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. I'm gonna do a little trade recap. Keep y'all posted. Keep y'all updated on what's going on, man. I'm still working on this strategy. Just trying to make sure I have a perfect strategy, man, for new traders who want to get in the stock market. Today I made $368 on XELA. Basically using my strategy and my old strategy on how I trade, and yeah, pretty much a good day. The website is being updated. Everything is pretty much being updated. The courses, everything. I gotta do a lot of changes, and I don't want to put extra pressure on myself by, like frequently putting videos, and then I got new people coming in and they asking questions, and it's a lot. I'm doing everything by myself, so I just want to get this strategy down pat, put it out, and then get back putting out the videos frequently, But a good day today. But I want to talk about this though. It's part of the strategy. You can't see my indicator lines, but basically, you really just trade off the lines. I know y'all can't see it. I'll show y'all on my other chart, but I'm looking for moves like this, like moves you can really make a lot of money on, and you get in early before that move happens. That's what I'm trying to master, and it's getting close. I ended up missing this move. I was doing something else, but my entry would have been right here, because my lines was right here. I'm gonna show y'all my lines on my other chart, but I would have got in right here, and then as y'all can see, it's off to the races. So the entry would have been down here at like in the 640, 650 range, 640, 660 range, right? And the stock went all the way up to 882. So almost $2 a share. That's what I'm talking about. I'm looking for big hits like this. You know what I'm saying? And it's easy for the new trader to get. That's why I'm trying to take my time and master this strategy before I put it out. But I end up missing out on this move going up, but I end up getting in on this dip because I figured it was going to keep going up, right? So I got in on this dip at 737, and then I got in at 730. Selling into this pop, making some money right there, and then I seen it shoot up, so I got back in at 787, got out to my profit, got back in, just kept riding it up. I bought the dip, got out, and shot up again. That's what I was doing, basically riding this thing up. But if I would have caught it early, if I didn't never get distracted, I would have caught it down here, and I would have just held the thing. I just would have held it, and see what it did. It could have went to $20. I'm looking for big moves. So it came down, right? Shot up. I got in. Wasn't supposed to get in up here. I supposed to have waited. And this prime example right here, when you wait on the lines to come, right? I didn't wait right here. I made a mistake right here, but it ended up coming down to the lines right here, and that's why I went long right here. And guess what? I made money. When you follow the strategy like I'm trying to master, and you follow, the lines, you pretty much gonna make profit, man. So when it came down here, I got in, I got out, recouped that loss right there, and finished up $368. Let me show y'all how the other chart looks. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? This chart just showing y'all what my entries and exits at, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. These are charts I use. Okay, this is the chart I'm looking at right here when I actually make my trades and stuff like that. As y'all can see, my indicator lines right here, and when they get tight, man, stocks tend to react like this. So it's more than what you just see right here. Just trying to master that, because these stocks be taking off, man. So that's how I knew to get in. Remember earlier I told y'all I was gonna get in right here, because it over over the tight lines, and then it's like a reclaim, and then it sits right on top of it, and then off to the races after that, you know. Like I said, I would have got in like right here, but I end up missing it, and I end up getting in up here, going long and making my money up here. And then remember I told y'all I made a mistake trading right here. You can go back in the video and look at the chart. And then I told y'all, I said I got in right here. Why did I do that? It's because the lines are right here, and I made money on that because I waited for it to touch the line right here. You see, I waited for it to come down here. I made a mistake up here. Gotta be patient, wait for it to come down to the line. Boom, I got in long right here and sold it up here, made some money. Wait, boom, come up, sell, make some money. Boom. I mean, all this gonna be in the courses, man. Once I get it mastered, you know, everything gonna come out. But I just wanted to make this recap, let y'all know what's going on, keep y'all updated. The website will be up soon. The courses will be updated for the guys that's already with me. Chat room will be back up. Everything. Just been swamped, man, and trying to just switch up the strategy, and I got a lot going on. But that's it for this recap. I'm done. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to my supporters. Finishing up a total of 368 today, and we're gonna continue this thing, man. I'm gone. Peace.